Alright guys, here we have ginger, which we have started in here 3 months ago. And what we've been doing is coming in this place and getting our transplants and separating them. So I'm going to show you how you can get transplants out of your ginger. That way you can grow more than one plants from just one piece of ginger. So as you can see, here I have ginger, and it has two sides which are growing here and here, and all the roots and the growth is attached to this new plant. So you can keep harvesting this from same piece of ginger. So I'm gonna snap this piece off, and you'll see all the roots and the growth is with the new part. And I have a bag ready here in which I can transplant it. And this bag is full of compost. So what I'm gonna do is I can open it up and transplant. Ginger likes compost. Alright, so here's our ginger transplant, and this is a bag full of compost. So this is the compost material in which I'm trying to grow the ginger, and it's full on compost, nothing added to it. And I've put ginger in here. Similarly, let's take another example. I can come back here in my bed where I have another piece of ginger growing here, and as you can see, this is the new growth which is on the side of the rhizome I planted, and here's the original rhizome. So I can snap off the part which is growing with its roots, and I can use this to start a brand new plant. So follow me while I transplant this in a bag right here where I am going to grow ginger. So that way you have original rhizome left, and when this rhizome develops, you can snap that off, put it in new place, and start another plant.